Hello tool lovers, welcome back to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're revealing the top 20 genius woodworking tools every woodworker should own. From smart measuring gadgets to powerful workshop innovations, these tools can save time, boost precision, and make every project easier. Whether you're a beginner or a professional carpenter, these amazing tools will completely upgrade your woodworking game. Let's get started and discover the must-have tools of 2026. Folding work table. The Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table is a smart, portable workstation built for woodworking, DIY projects, and job site tasks. It quickly transforms from a sturdy workbench into a heavy-duty sawhorse, supporting up to 300 pounds in table mode and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. Its integrated clamping system, bench dog holes, and expandable link-lock design make handling large materials easy. Constructed from durable ABS plastic with steel reinforcements, the Pegasus combines strength, portability, and versatility in one compact folding workstation. Scriber Marking Line Ruler. The Grenpro Woodworking Scriber Marking Line Ruler is a versatile layout tool designed for precise woodworking measurements, angle marking, and edge scribing. Built from durable anodized aluminum alloy, it combines a sliding T-square with an adjustable protractor head for maximum flexibility. Its laser-engraved metric and imperial scales ensure long-lasting visibility, while the slide and lock mechanism allows quick adjustments for bevels, parallel lines, and circular layouts. Perfect for carpenters, cabinet makers, and DIY woodworkers. This tool improves accuracy, speeds up layout work, and simplifies complex marking tasks in any workshop. Circular saw blade. The Hardwin framing. Circular saw blade is a lightweight, high-efficiency cutting blade built for fast framing, rough carpentry, and heavy-duty woodworking tasks. Its 24-tooth ATB design delivers smooth, accurate cuts, while the ultra-thin kerf reduces motor strain and saves battery power on cordless saws. Built with durable tungsten carbide teeth and anti-friction coating, it handles plywood, OSB, MDF, and construction lumber with ease. The hollow core body improves balance, reduces vibration, and boosts cutting speed for professional performance on busy job sites. Steady Rest. The Bmwood Woodturning. Steady Rest is a must-have lathe accessory built to reduce vibration and stabilize long or delicate wood pieces during turning. Its 3 urethane support wheels provide smooth, non-marring contact for cleaner, safer cuts. Built from heavy-duty aluminum or steel, it fits many mini and full-sized lathes with adjustable mounting options. Perfect for hollow vessels, pepper mills, table legs, and spindle projects, the Steady Rest improves accuracy, prevents chatter, and helps woodworkers achieve professional quality turning results with greater confidence and control. Six-inch jointer. The Powermatic 6-inch jointer is a premium woodworking machine built for flattening rough lumber and creating perfectly square edges with professional accuracy. Featuring a heavy cast iron construction, long 66-inch beds, and a powerful 1 horsepower motor, it delivers smooth, vibration-free performance in any workshop. The 54HH model uses quiet helical carbide cutters for ultra-clean finishes, while the 54A offers traditional straight blades with rabbiting capability. Its adjustable fence, precision controls, and efficient dust collection make it a favorite among serious woodworkers and small professional shops. MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig. The Kreg MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig is a smart drill-powered joinery system that makes strong mortise and tenon joints easier than ever. Designed for accuracy and simplicity, it works with standard cordless drills to create clean, repeatable mortises without needing a router. Its auto-indexing step-down mechanism, micro-adjustment controls, and built-in dust collection improve speed and precision during woodworking projects. Perfect for furniture building, cabinet assembly, and panel glue-ups, the MortiseMate delivers professional quality joints in a compact, beginner-friendly setup that saves time and workshop space. Amp Belt and Disc Benchtop Sander. The Skil 4.5 Amp Belt and Disc Benchtop Sander is a versatile workshop machine designed for precise sanding, shaping, and finishing tasks. Powered by a smooth 4.5 amp induction motor, it combines a 4-inch by 36-inch belt with a 6-inch sanding disc for multi-angle operation. Its adjustable belt position, beveling work table, quick belt release lever, and built-in dust port make it ideal for DIYers and woodworking enthusiasts. The compact yet stable design delivers accurate results while saving valuable workshop space.
Milescraft 1341 Drawer Jig. The Milescraft 1341 Drawer Jig is a smart two-piece system that makes installing or upgrading drawer slides faster, easier, and more precise. Acting like an extra set of hands, it supports both the cabinet and drawer box during installation. Its reversible design positions slides accurately inside the cabinet, then flips outward to hold the drawer securely. Compatible with ball bearing, Euro, and undermount slides, it works with face frame and frameless cabinets. Alignment fences, non-marring pads, a built-in level, and a large clamping area ensure smooth, perfectly aligned results every time. Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rules. The Woodpeckers. Paolini Pocket Rule is a precision measuring tool designed for woodworkers seeking accuracy and versatility. Featuring a sliding stop that locks for repetitive measurements or converts into a hands-free stand, it simplifies tasks like setting saw blade or router bit heights. The integrated marking gauge notch allows precise scribing, while dual-sided laser-engraved scales ensure clarity and durability available in anodized aluminum or stainless steel. With multiple lengths and graduations, this USA-made tool combines innovation, reliability, and practicality for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers. Wolfcraft Universal Wedge 6946000. The Wolfcraft Universal Wedge I6946000 is a smart multifunctional 2-in-1 tool designed for precise spacing, leveling, and installation tasks. Acting as both a flat spacer and an adjustable wedge, it features a clever latching mechanism that allows multiple wedges to connect, creating custom thicknesses for flooring, window, and door installation. The built-in grid system ensures accurate measurements, while the robust plastic construction provides long-lasting durability. With a compact 35 by 60 by 6 mm size and a set of 30 pieces, this versatile wedge is ideal for countless woodworking and DIY applications. Skil RT132 3-01 Router Table. The Skil RT132 3-01 Router Table is a versatile and feature-packed accessory for woodworkers seeking precision and convenience. It boasts an above-the-table height adjustment system, a 24-inch aluminum fence with adjustable MDF faceplates, and dual-sided integrated router bit storage to keep tools organized. 2 featherboards enhance guidance and reduce kickback, while the durable 26 by 16-inch laminated MDF tabletop provides a stable work surface. Additional features include a mitre gauge slot, built-in dust collection port, and a universal router mounting plate compatible with major brands, making it ideal for any workshop. Allway Contour Scrapers. The Allway Contour Scraper, CS6 model, is a versatile woodworking and painting tool featuring an ergonomic soft grip handle and 6 dual-shaped stainless steel blades, offering 12 contour options perfect for scraping crown mouldings, chair rails, door casings, and more. It allows precise work on concave, convex, and flat surfaces. An onboard half-round blade file lets you sharpen or customize blades for unique shapes. Easy blade changes, a convenient storage case, and durable hardened steel ensure reliable performance, while the pull stroke design prevents surface damage and reduces hand fatigue. Bridge City Tools DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig. The Bridge City Tools DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig is a precision handheld drill press designed for versatile, accurate drilling on flat, round, angled, or spherical stock. Its self-centering dual cable mechanism ensures perfect alignment, while 28 hardened tool steel bushings in imperial and metric sizes guarantee play-free, precise drilling. The DJ3 handles perpendicular, axial, angled, and cylindrical drilling with ease. Constructed from durable anodized 6061 aluminum, it features an improved flip-stop system and an adjustable jaw for off-center holes, making it an indispensable tool for meticulous woodworkers and metalworkers alike. Rockler Sandpaper Storage System. The Rockler Sandpaper Storage System is a smart solution for organizing 5-inch sanding discs, featuring 3 removable, stackable trays in a durable mountable case. Its spring-loaded pins allow hands-free alignment of dust holes for quick, precise disc pickup, compatible with various patterns. Trays can be removed, stacked, and labeled for easy grit organization with non-slip feet and locking slots. The modular case design lets you build a storage wall, while integrated alignment tools, beveled edges, and rugged ABS construction make sanding efficient, clean, and long-lasting. Festool 4 902 94 FastFix Eccentric Chuck. The Festool 4 902 94 FastFix Eccentric Chuck is a precision offset attachment engineered for drilling and driving in extremely tight spaces, right up against walls, corners, and adjacent surfaces. Designed for seamless integration with Festool drills, it uses the tool-free FastFix interface for quick chuck changes and improved workflow efficiency. Its 360-degree rotating head with 16 locking positions provides perfect access at any angle, while the non-marring collar protects delicate surfaces made from durable alloy steel. It's compatible with multiple Festool models, making it a versatile upgrade for demanding woodworking tasks. Festool 5 77132 Lever Clamp MFT-HZ80. The Festool 5 7132 Lever Clamp MFT-HZ80 is a precision work holding accessory, engineered for Festool MFT/3 tables and the MW1000 mobile workshop, designed for rapid one-handed operation. It lets you clamp and release materials effortlessly, speeding up workflow during sanding, drilling, planing, or gluing. Its secure vertical clamping system grips both round and flat workpieces without slipping, while the 20mm/96mm hole pattern compatibility ensures flexible positioning across the table. With an 80mm clamping capacity and durable construction, it delivers reliable performance, though some users report fragility in the green plastic components. Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. the Kreg cabinet door. Mounting jig is a must-have for precise and effortless cabinet door installation. Its integrated support arm acts as an extra helping hand, securely holding doors in place while you attach hinges. With 9 adjustable height positions and magnetic micro adjustment shims, it ensures accurate placement for overlays up to 2 inches. Compatible with both face frame and frameless cabinets, the jig features Grip Max TM, anti-slip surfaces to prevent shifting, durable, easy to use, and supporting doors up to 25 pounds. It's perfect for both professionals and DIYers. Allway Original Handy Saw. The Allway Original Handy Saw is a versatile keyhole saw designed for precise cuts in tight spaces. Its 4-position blade mounting allows cutting in multiple directions without screws or clamps, while automatic blade fastening ensures quick, secure changes. Ideal for wood, metal, wallboard and plastic, it comes with 10 TPI and 24 TPI blades for different materials. The ergonomic pistol grip handle reduces fatigue, and rigid 7.5-inch tungsten alloy blades provide durability and accuracy, making this saw perfect for DIY repairs and intricate woodworking tasks. Co-Matic PD80 EDGEBAND Trimmer. The Co-Matic PD80 EDGEBAND Trimmer is a high-precision, handheld router designed for flush trimming and rounding edges on wood, PVC, melamine, and laminate. Equipped with a powerful 450-watt motor spinning at 30,000 RPM, it ensures smooth and efficient cutting. Its 0.05mm micro adjustment scale allows exact trimming depth, while a 180-degree telescopic vacuum cover keeps surfaces clean. With versatile capabilities for corners, curves, and hollow edges, interchangeable bits, a built-in scraper, and ergonomic dual knobs, the PD80 delivers accuracy, safety, and comfort for professional quality results in any woodworking project. VEIKO Aluminum Alloy Hinge Jig. The VEIKO Aluminum Alloy Hinge Jig is a professional-grade woodworking tool designed for precise and efficient hinge installation. Crafted from durable 6061 aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, it resists wear, deformation, and rust. Its adjustable offsets 3 to 6 mm, depth stop, and built-in scales ensure accurate hinge placement, while the universal anti-slip clamps secure doors without damage. The precision drill guide reduces wobble for smooth drilling, compatible with standard 35mm hinge cups and multiple hinge brands. Ideal for wooden doors and cabinet panels, it simplifies and speeds up every installation.